Good afternoon. My name is Shorik Das. I belong from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have pursued my BSc with honors in chemistry from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, West Bengal. And after that, I pursued my master's degree in chemistry from IIT Guwahati, and I passed out from there in the year of 2017. Currently, I am also pursuing my B.Ed in West Bengal University of Teachers Training, Education Planning and Administration. Today, as a part of my teaching demonstration, I would like to just introduce a special type of compound, organic compound, which are known as alcohols. Prior to that, we have to know what are hydrocarbons. So, as we all know, that hydrocarbons are the most basic organic compounds which are constituted of two basic atoms. One is carbon and another one is hydrogen. That's why the name is hydrocarbon. So in hydrocarbons, if we just replace one hydrogen atom with one hydroxyl, that means OH functional group, then a new class of organic compound is generated. These compounds are known as alcohols. Now, as we can recall, the basic most hydrocarbon compound is methane, CH4. So, if we undergo that process, this is methane, and in this case, we are just replacing this hydrogen atom with this OH functional group by some chemical process. So, from methane, a new class of compound is generated, which is called as alcohol, because this contains a OH functional group, that means hydroxyl functional group. So from methane it is generated, that's why it is named as methanol. Similarly, there are two types of hydrocarbons, as we all know. One is aliphatic and another one is aromatic. Now this methane was an aliphatic hydrocarbon. Similarly, in case of aromatic hydrocarbons, the one compound that comes to our mind first, it is what? Benzene. So this is benzene. From benzene we are replacing this hydrogen atom from and replacing it with a hydroxyl group, that means OH functional group. So from benzene we are creating this corresponding alcohol compound. So this is named as phenol. So phenol is its commercial name, but the same process of replacing one hydrogen atom with a OH or hydroxyl functional group is carried out. Firstly, we saw in case of methane, it is generating methanol. That means from an aliphatic hydrocarbon compound, an aliphatic alcohol is generated, and from this one, this is an aromatic compound. From an aromatic compound, an aromatic alcohol is generated. So these are the two major classes of alcohols. One is aliphatic alcohol, because the reactant from which the aliphatic alcohol is generated is an aliphatic hydrocarbon compound. Similarly, in the same way, if the alcohol is generated from an aromatic hydrocarbon compound, then it will be named as an aromatic alcohol. So in case of benzene, we saw that one hydrogen atom is replaced by one OH functional group or hydroxyl functional group. If, as you all know, that in case of benzene there are 6 carbon atoms, and in each carbon atom one hydrogen atom is attached. So just like one hydrogen atom got replaced with one OH group to produce phenol from benzene, we can go on to further replace one by one all the hydrogen atoms attached to each of the carbon atoms in the benzene ring to reproduce more and more OH group containing compounds. Like if same like phenol, if we replace two hydrogen atoms of benzene with two OH functional groups, then it will generate this type of compound. So in case of phenol, there was one OH functional group, and if we replace, in this case, as we are seeing that we are replacing two hydrogen atoms with two OH groups. So one OH group containing alcohol generated from benzene, like phenol, as we have seen, it will be named as monohydric alcohol because it contains only one OH group. And if because mono means one, and if two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two OH functional groups, it will be named as dihydric alcohol because di means two. So monohydric alcohol will contain only one OH functional group, and dihydric alcohol will contain two OH functional group. So we have just discussed the major two classification of alcohols. Firstly, how an alcohol is generated from an hydrocarbon compound. That hydrocarbons are of two types, aliphatic and aromatic. If aliphatic hydrocarbon generates aliphatic alcohol by replacement of one hydrogen atom with one OH functional group or hydroxyl functional group, then in the same way, aromatic compounds will generate aromatic alcohols by undergoing the same process of replacing one hydrogen atom with one OH functional group. And if one OH functional group is there in the alcohol compound, then it will be named as monohydric alcohol. And if two OH group is there, then it will be named as dihydric alcohol. Similarly, if three are there, then it will be trihydric alcohol, and it goes on in the similar way. That's all for our demonstration for today. Thank you so much. Thank you.